Hi, Jason here from TGN. Alright, so today I have the latest Wi-Fi 6 router from QNAP. Alright, so it's the QHora-301W. Okay, it has dual CAN G ports. Alright, and it has 4 gigabit LAN ports with 2 USB ports, USB 3.0 ports. Okay, so I'm going to do the unboxing now. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, I'm very excited. I'm going to move the box and pull out the whole item. Okay, let me put this aside. Okay, so this is the router itself. Very solid feel, heavy. Okay. Right, so this is the front where all the LED lights are. Okay. And then you have all your Wi-Fi 6 antennas surrounding on this router itself. All right, and these are the two 10G WAN ports which you can assign whether they are LAN or they are WAN. Okay, so it's multi-G. And then you have two USB 3.0, okay, and 4 1G LAN ports. This is the on-off switch, and then you have your WPS button and your reset button where you can put on a pin to reset it. This is the AC adapter. This is the bottom part of the router itself. You can see all these events. I strongly believe it's going to be very helpful. All right. So this is the router itself, and it comes with a quick user guide, okay, and a short or not too short Cat6 cable. Okay. Now in my case, I'm in Singapore, so this is the power adapter, 12 volts, 3 ampere. And then I have the UK 3-pin from. Okay. So basically this concludes my unboxing of the QNAP QHora-301W. Okay. Look forward to my next videos on the setting up and the features that comes together with the router. Alright, thank you.